What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I can't do the intro. And guys, in the last vlog, we got this alien egg. We don't know what's gonna be inside of it. I can hear his heartbeat. I can hear something. What are you doing? Stop, Jess. Just put the lid on.
Okay.
Can you hear that? It's like trumpet noises. Stop.
Okay. I was just trying to prank them.
Ooh. So guys, that's so weird.
Yes.
Stop.
I'm just playing with stuff.
Guys, the egg is moving. That can't be its heartbeat. It doesn't sound right.
just doing this, guys. Yeah.
It's saying something. My name is Tyler. His name is Tyler.
Wait, I think it's Tyler.
Oh my god, we got